Surprises might be great when it comes to birthday presents. When it comes to your business, not so much. But if you're using spreadsheets and glorified databases posing as an inventory or supply chain management system, that's probably what you're living with. Inaccurate, out-of-date information that results in emergencies, like running out of raw materials. So you can't meet production quotas or delivery dates. Unhappy customers. Overworked employees. Increased costs trying to compensate at the last minute. In other words, your business and your sanity at risk. But the right ERP system can change all that. And that system is Max from Exact Software. Because it was developed by manufacturers specifically for small to medium-sized manufacturers, like you.